Should you save your money or should you invest it? This is one of the most common questions beginners ask about personal finance. Many people feel confused because saving feels safe while investing feels risky. In this video, we'll clearly explain the difference between saving and investing, when each one makes sense, and how they work together over time. What saving really means. Saving means setting money aside in a safe place. This could be cash or money kept in a savings account. The goal of saving is protection, not growth. Saved money is meant to be easily accessible, low risk, stable. Saving is useful when you need money soon or want to avoid risk. Why saving is important. Saving plays a very important role in financial health. It helps you handle emergencies, unexpected expenses, and short-term goals. Without savings, even a small problem can turn into a financial crisis. Saving provides security and peace of mind. Limitation of saving. While saving is important, it has limits. Saved money usually grows very slowly. In some cases, it may not grow at all. Over long periods, inflation can reduce the value of saved money. This means saving alone may not be enough for long-term goals. What investing really means. Investing means using your money to buy assets that can grow over time. These assets may increase in value or generate returns. Investing focuses on growth, long-term results, and building wealth over time. Unlike saving, investing involves some risk. Why investing matters. Investing allows your money to work for you. Over time, investments can grow faster than savings. This growth can help with retirement planning, long-term financial goals, and beating inflation. Investing is especially powerful when combined with time and consistency. Risk versus reward. The key difference between saving and investing is risk. Saving is low risk but low growth. Investing has more risk but higher potential growth. Risk does not mean guaranteed loss. It means results can change in the short term. Over long periods, investing has historically rewarded patience. When to save. Saving is best for emergency funds, short-term goals, and money you may need soon. If you can't afford to lose the money in the short term, saving is usually the better choice. When to invest. Investing is better for long-term goals, retirement planning, building wealth over time. Money you won't need for many years can benefit from investment growth. The balanced approach. The smartest approach is usually not choosing one over the other. Saving and investing work best together. Saving protects you in the short term, investing helps you grow in the long term. Understanding the difference helps you use both wisely. Conclusion. Saving keeps you safe. Investing helps you grow. Both are important parts of a healthy financial plan. Knowing when to save and when to invest is a key step toward financial confidence. Disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Please do your own research before making any financial decisions.